Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review 1080p HD night vision car dash camera with voice and amp. App control as road safety becomes an increasingly vital concern. Investing in a reliable dash camera can offer peace of mind and essential evidence in the case of unforeseen incidents. The 1080p HD night vision car dash camera with voice and amp. App control is a feature-packed device that aims to elevate your driving experience. In this review, we thoroughly examine its key attributes, including video quality, night vision capabilities, voice and app control, and overall performance. Video quality. The standout feature of this dash camera is its 1080p HD resolution, delivering crisp and clear video footage. During our testing, the camera consistently captured sharp details, providing a comprehensive view of the road ahead. The wide-angle lens ensures that the camera covers a broad field of vision, minimizing blind spots and capturing crucial details in the event of an incident. Night vision capability. The inclusion of night vision technology sets this dash camera apart from its competitors. The night vision mode significantly enhances visibility in low-light conditions, allowing the camera to record clear footage even during nighttime drives. This feature proves invaluable for those who frequently travel in poorly lit areas or during late hours, ensuring that every detail is captured regardless of the time of day. Voice control. A notable convenience feature is the voice control functionality. The camera responds to simple voice commands, allowing drivers to focus on the road while still having control over the device. Commands such as starting and stopping recording, taking snapshots, and enabling or disabling specific features can be executed effortlessly through voice prompts, adding a layer of hands-free convenience to the driving experience. App control. The integration of app control further enhances the usability of this dash camera. By connecting the device to a dedicated mobile app, users can remotely access and manage their recordings. The app provides real-time monitoring, allowing users to view live footage, adjust settings, and download or share recorded videos directly from their smartphones. This level of control adds a layer of flexibility and accessibility that is particularly beneficial for those who want to review footage on the go. Ease of installation. Setting up the 1080p HD night vision car dash camera is a straightforward process. The package includes all the necessary accessories, and the user manual provides clear instructions for installation. The compact design and adjustable mounting bracket ensure that the camera can be discreetly placed on the windshield without obstructing the driver's view. Overall performance. Throughout our testing, the dash camera exhibited reliable performance. The G-sensor technology automatically detects and saves footage in the event of sudden impacts or collisions, providing a valuable record for insurance claims. Loop recording ensures that the camera continuously captures footage without the need for manual intervention, optimizing storage space. The 1080p HD night vision car dash camera with voice and amp. App control successfully combines essential features for an enhanced driving experience. With its high-resolution video quality, impressive night vision capabilities, voice and app control functionalities, and user-friendly design, this dash camera offers a comprehensive solution for road safety and documentation. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, this device proves to be a reliable and valuable companion on the road.